So yesterday I promised you that I was going to make a tutorial that will show you how to earn free money on, Pepecoin. So, and here we are now. We are going to have a look at the ecosystem and where exactly are you going to get the free stuff from. So, first of all, I would like to say if you are new to this channel, or probably this is the first time you are watching this channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share with your friends. So if you are a returning subscriber, then I want to welcome you once again back to the Crypto Niche channel. So it's a meme coin, right? And this kind of meme coin reminds me of Dogecoin. It reminds me of the Bitcoin. In those days, Bitcoin used to have a faucet, and that faucet is always loaded with about 10 to 100 Bitcoin every day, all right? And people claimed the hell out of it. Like they were able to claim a lot of those Bitcoin, and they eventually sold for a peanut. So please, if you are going to be participating in this, regardless of how much of the faucet you are getting per day, I'm going to suggest that you should not be in a hurry to liquidate it. You should not be in a hurry to sell. All right. Just have that patience and hold, for like a year, 2 years, and see how much that is going to be worth for you. All right. So I was doing a research with one of my students. She enrolled for a one-on-one training, and we are kind of doing a research together. Showing her how to conduct research, on our own or by herself. So then we found this project, called the Pepecoin. So the Pepecoin is not the same thing as the Pep token, all right? So it's not the same as Pep token. This already have its own blockchain, and it is independent of any other blockchain. So you're going to need a wallet. They used to have a native wallet, so but I tried to access that native wallet, but fortunately, uh, it was giving error, when I was trying to download it. But let's see if it's going to work this time around. If it works, then definitely there is no harm in using the native wallet. Okay, so download it and install that wallet on your phone, or on your device, maybe on your PC. Now, I want to state that whether you have a PC or you're using a mobile phone or a tablet, this is going to work for you. Okay, so don't say, oh, Abimbola is using a PC to explain to you. For that reason, you cannot use a mobile phone to do it. No, it doesn't work that way. All right. So you can download their native wallet because they have their own blockchain. They have an explorer. They have their own explorer. You can see this is an explorer, explorer, and explorer. All right. Look at this. Coin explorer. So it is fully decentralized. It is triple mineable. Triple mineable means that the same machine that you can use to mine Litecoin, Dogecoin can also be used to mine Pepecoin. So if you are already mining Dogecoin with the machine, or you are already mining Litecoin with the machine, just go ahead and add Pepecoin to it. Just go through the technical document and start mining Pepecoin. So it's more like you're using a stone to hit three birds at the same time. All right. So and it's already on the mining pool, Ants pool and some other Bitcoin pool. It is there, all right. So you can also dedicate your machine to it and mine some. So it is open source, low fee, secured, and fast enough. So it uses proof of work, that is algorithm consensus for Dogecoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and the rest of them. So simple, truth mineable, familiar. Okay, Pepecoin belongs to the Bitcoin family of coins, exactly. So now, without wasting much of our time, you first need to create a wallet. Okay, without a wallet, you cannot participate in this faucet. So first of all, you can go to Komodo. Okay, that's the wallet. Click here. This is the download Komodo. Okay, if you want to use a PC version of it or a mobile version of it, go to your Play Store or your App Store, to download Komodo. But I kind of recommend that if you are using a mobile phone, I kind of recommend that you use a web wallet. Okay, the web wallet is lighter, it is accessible by any browser of your choice, and it's quite easy to use. So all you need to do is just to click, launch the wallet, open that in a new tab if you want. So this is the platform. So I already have a wallet right there. So I may not need to create a new wallet. So this is the wallet I'm going to use for this. So when you create a new wallet, it requests for a password and a name you want to use for that wallet. And if you want, please, not even a matter of if you want, try and back up your seed phrase. okay, try and back up your seed phrase. That is really important, okay, because you have no idea how much this is going to worth in the future. All right, so you don't want to regret losing that coin. So once you're done with that, add assets. By default, you are not going to be seeing PEP among the assets on Komodo wallet. You're not going to see it. So all you need to do is to go to add assets like this, okay. Then you click on you search for PEP, okay. So and you add the wallet, okay. Now let me remove it. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me remove assets. So I'm going to go to PEP. Okay, remove this asset from it, then go back. Okay, so I'm going to refresh it now. Let me refresh the wallet. Let me refresh the wallet. So let me refresh the wallet. Okay, then I'll go back to this. Let me connect wallet seed. I don't want to do that really. Okay, this is the wallet. I have this already. So let me go ahead and paste the password. Okay, this is the password right there. I'm going to log in. Okay, you must have created that wallet password. So I'm just going to go and say, okay, add assets. So you search for PEP, which is PEP. Okay, it might take a while for it to load completely, but you're going to be, but you should be able to add your asset to it. Just give some time. So when that is fully loaded, just come here and search for PEP. Okay, you can see now, you can now add. So you're not adding the ERC20 PEP. Okay, you're not adding the PEP20 PEP. You're adding the native. This is a different one entirely. So add it to your wallet. Then if you go back to your assets, it will reflect. If you scroll down a little bit, can you see now? PEP is there, isn't it? So click on PEP, then click on receive. All right. First of all, before you can receive anything, you have to back it up first. You have to back up your seed phrase. Okay. You must back up your seed phrase. So let's go ahead and back up this seed phrase. So I've been able to back up my seed phrase. Okay. So I had to repeat the seed phrase. When you get the seed phrase, you have to type it exactly where it is so that the software can confirm that you have successfully backed up your seed phrase. So I got it really. So that has been backed up. So we can now go back to the wallet again. All right. Then click on this, then receive, then copy this, right? It looks pretty much like a Bitcoin wallet, right? So then you go back to this platform like this. Okay, then you go to the faucets. Okay, open this first. All right, open this. Then you see something like this. Remember, my password should be turned on. Then paste the password. Paste the public keys right there, isn't it? So then you click on send PEP to it. Okay, so you click on send PEP to that wallet. All right, then you complete the captcha to be sure. You want to be sure that you are not a robot. So please click, hold, and drag one of the elements on the right to complete the pairs. One of the elements on the right to complete the pairs. So we have this, and star. Okay, one of the elements on the right to complete the pairs. Which one are you going to drag? Okay, this one, I think. Let's drag this. Okay. This is not completed, like a triangle, isn't it? Okay, so you drag it here to complete that pair. Okay, that's all you need. Then verify it. So once that is verified, then that will be success, right? So that's success. It says now you can claim 5 PEPE every 1 hour by completing the captcha, right? So that captcha has been completed, right? So let us go ahead and click on this. If it has been claimed already, definitely you can see that. Okay, let me select the image that best match the theme of the sample. So this match this and this. Verify that captcha. All right. So Let us now search for this address, probably in the Explorer. Okay, let's go to the Block Explorer and search for this. If anything has been received, okay, what can you see? We have 5 PEP in our balance, right? It is quite fast, extremely fast, isn't it? So if you go back to your wallets, you should see, can you see the balance right now? Okay, so every hour you keep coming back to claim the PEP coin. Every hour, all right? Every hour, every day, you keep coming back to claim it. So that is one thing you need to know. You need to note. Do not mind the actual value right now. Okay, this project have a whole lot of potential. All right. So always copy that link address and claim. So let us try some other faucet. Let's see if we can get more from different faucets. Okay, let's see if that will work. So we'll just try Ravena platform to see if you can get from there. Okay, it's going to be giving you like 1 to 5 every hour, faucet balance, total paid out so far. So let us paste the wallet right there. Okay, I'm human. So then animal wearing hats. Each of them is wearing hats. This is wearing hats, and this, I think only 2 of them are wearing hats. So then verify. Okay, then give me PEP coins. Let's see. Okay, it looks like we ran out of PEP balance to pay out. So these guys are not actually having any PEP at the moment. So we can try other options like Skate Cube. Let's see what they have for us. Okay, it's not reachable at the moment. So let's try other one like Flappy PEP and see how much they have to give. So let's try this one out. So we said current balance for withdrawal. Just verify that you are a human. Okay, so claim your PEP as soon as possible. Server reboots at 5 a.m. This means that you will lose your PEP balance. Okay, so whatever you have to claim as fast as possible. So let's try this capture. Animal wearing hat again. So you verify this. Then you paste the wallet right here. Then you said, okay, it says the minimum withdrawal is this amount, isn't it? So let me see. So it's like you have to play a game, isn't it? So PEP, okay, you have to play a game on the platform. So you have to tap. Okay, you have to play a game. So if you actually know how to play game, every 10 points you give 0.05 PEP. Okay, and as many points as you have. Personally, I don't like to play games like this. I'm not. Computer games don't freak me actually. So, but if you like to play games, you can keep playing games, and convert your PEP to and withdraw your PEP immediately. Convert your PEP, your points to PEP. Okay, and withdraw that point immediately. So that's pretty much what you have to do on this class. You can increase the volume. Maybe there's a sound that's behind the gameplay, so you can do that if you want. So pretty much, I think the fastest way to play to get PEP, and the one with the biggest PEP and the easiest PEP for you is to use a platform like this. Every 1 hour. So after an hour, you can come back, and claim on the platform. It's pretty much as simple as that. So that's pretty much all you have to know on how to get the free Pepecoin every hour of the day. I hope that this video is quite useful to you. And I hope that you're not going to be selfish. You're going to share this with your friends, on Facebook, on WhatsApp, on Telegram, on Discord, on Crypto Chat app, on Twitter. Okay, so share across different platforms and let other people know that there is a lot of help to be claimed on a daily basis on this platform. All right. So that's pretty much what I have to share with you today. Okay, so bye and have a lovely day. And additionally, if you are able to follow these steps from point 1 to point 2, okay, and you're able to claim your first PEP, please let me know in the comment box. Okay, so that will assure others that, oh, this is real. Okay, this is absolutely real. So that's it. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.